Hey Hugo, hey Exaria, good morning. Hey, good morning everyone. Until everyone arrives, let me just check this issue. Hey Auntie, thanks for the follow. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh, they get confused between mountings here in MongoDB and adding it to Compass. Yeah, it sometimes it could be confusing, but I generally interested in this issue because the other ones I could not reproduce. At least I think I already fixed it, but this one is still there. But I think I cannot test this locally because yeah, we have some file system mounting problems on Mac in development, and I think it won't work, but we will see. I need to change the development setup a bit. Yeah, it won't work, but never mind. I'm interested in this regenerate SSL certificate stuff. Hey, Tumik. I see you are using coolify. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I do. I have a VPS for hosting my Lava project. Currently tried Vito deploy, but new version is buggy as fuck. I deployed coolify and wanted to give it a try. Is it worse for production hosting? Yes. A few people are already using it. And yeah, sometimes, but not always, but sometimes I use it as well. Yeah, sometimes. I also like to contribute to the open source ecosystem, so yeah, I made a lot of commits to coolify. Just to be sure that it's clear that I made coolify. So yeah, it's still in beta, right? Yes. Hey, 9 pass. Good morning. So which one? MongoDB submit action. So this is generating the certificate. And the main problem is that by default it creates the server PEM and the CA PEM. Yep. And if I'm checking here as well, it's mounting it. Oh no, I exposed it. Oh no. So yeah. But when we click on the regenerate, it basically generates 2 certificates and not the single PEM file, and that's causing an issue. Hey, Weaselbox. Yeah, thanks, I'm fine. Hey, whatever you are doing, you should rewrite it in PHP. It's in PHP. What? Hey, Bezos. Good morning. Long time no see. Wait, coolify is written in PHP? Yes. Oh, there is an option called ispam keyfi required, and I think it should be true here. Let me just check. Hey, Shadow. Oh my god. Hey, Docates. So if I'm right, if I'm just regenerate the SSL certificate, but maybe I need to somehow track it. Never mind. Okay. Then basically, yeah, only the PEM file should be regenerated. Let's see that it's something like this. And if I regenerate, and it is changed. Okay, so this was the main problem, that we are not generating the PEM file. Wait, coolify isn't written in C#? No. And do you know why? Do you know why it is not written in C#? There is a simple reason for it. Do you know? Anybody know why? No, it's way simpler. Because I don't see sharp. Best joke ever. Best joke ever. Okay, and I think I need to do the same with all the other parts as well. Yeah, not sure why it's not there. Why PHP? Because it just works and it gets out of the way. And I don't care what kind of language I use for a web application. I use the one that it makes sense. And PHP, well, especially Laravel, just makes sense. Because I can start with small things, so I don't need to use all the features and everything by default. But when I need to extend my application, I just need to include some other features and they just work. Okay, so this one is probably fixed. I fixed the issue 3. Oh my god. Oops. I don't need Hungarian now, so yeah, maybe I just tag it in the PR. That is way better. What you working on today? I'm fixing a few issues, and then I was thinking maybe we could check Nomad by HashiCorp. And play with it a bit. Not sure if you ever heard about it, but it looks cool. And I would like to, test some features. Maybe we could check it on stream. So, but first, okay, I need to, issue 1, issue 2 is already fixed. And this should work. So I will do the following. I will stop this. Merge this one. Hey, Kalamered. Yeah, I'm fixing some issues, especially 2 ones. Oh, then I will release a new version. That is important. And then we will play with Nomad a bit from HashiCorp. Oh, sorry. So yeah. Just do a chill Thursday. Okay, until this one is building, I will need to test it on the staging version. But until then, let me just check this one. So it looks like that MySQL does not work with SSL certificate. What's the time over there? Oh yeah, you could not see it on the screen because I cut that part, but it's 10 a.m. here. It's 5 a.m. here. Whoa. You woke up so early. Weaselbox. And your first thing that you do is to open my stream. What? It's 5 p.m. here. Oh my god, we have all the time zones here. Okay, let's see MySQL. Lying in the bed watching Onrush. Ooh. Hands up. Don't do anything that I don't want to know about. Meanwhile, going to bed at 5 a.m. Oh, yeah. That I don't know when did I last go bed at 5 a.m. But yeah, I used to. I used to stay up all night. I was a night owl all the time. Oh. Ooh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, this one is also not working in development. Oh, you thermal pasted your laptop. Yeah, I did the same with my previous laptop, with my Lenovo. It helped a lot, but unfortunately, yeah, I had to buy a new laptop after 7-8 years, because yeah, it started to fall apart, like physically fall apart. And yeah, never mind. Now I have a MacBook. I never thought that I would ever buy a MacBook, but here I am. Can you try this? Connect to user to coolify and click on validate. Once the validation completes, you will see a pop-up error message late traffic, but traffic will work fine. I will check that. I will check that. Just a moment, let me just check something. Okay. Validate new server. Shadow. Yeah, I started to use these to-dos as well. Not sure if they will stick, but it looks cool. Okay, so. Oh, sorry, MariaDB, not MySQLDB, MariaDB. Whoopsie. So let's check that one. Let's start it normally. I think it should work because I didn't change anything. So yeah. I get to hyper focused with setting up some new DB backup script for the Yu-Gi-Oh wiki. Nice. Yu-Gi-Oh. If I remember right, that's some kind of card game. Maybe I'm totally wrong, but yeah, I don't have to work today, so I really enjoy staying up and playing with my electronics. Oh, nice Visual Box. Nice. Yeah, I used to do fun things at night, but unfortunately, or let's say, my kids help me to not be a night owl. Especially that my son was a very bad sleeper. So, yeah. Okay, so the normal is working. Let's enable SSL and start it. Is coolify JSON live for everyone? No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, container is restarting. MySQL command not found. Okay. That is wrong. Let's check if the mount points are there or the 5 mounts are there. Okay. These are there. So probably the problem is with the command, which is that here. And I think MariaDB doesn't have a MySQL command, but it has the similar one with MariaDB. Yep, it's a card game. Yeah, I think I first saw Yu-Gi-Oh in a cartoon, I think. Hey, Asoni. Hey, sorry, I forgot to say hi. Things change when you have kids. Yeah, a lot of things changed. So I used to play World of Warcraft 12 hours a day, but I'm not. That is also changed. Okay, quickly check this one. Yeah, I probably cannot log into that Docker container, so I need to run a new one with MariaDB 11. By the way, can you see what I write there, or is it too small or something like that? Or is it fine? Not sure. If someone from mobile, then probably you cannot see what I'm writing. Okay, MySQL. Yeah, there is no MySQL, but there is a MariaDB command. MariaDB D. Yeah, dbd. DB. Oops, too much D. What? Oh, we don't have on here. Okay, then just... Whoops. Sometimes I forget that I don't need to close things. So here, let's use MariaDBD. And then let's see. Stop. Start. It's readable. We can see. Thanks. Yeah, your streams are always chill, just relaxing before I pass out. Nice. That's the whole point. I'm not... At the moment, I'm not here to... Whoa. To make some, I don't know, the primaging content or something like that. Just here to chill and talk and... Yeah, work together, maybe. Fail to set up SSL. We had discussion in the past for docs. Should we stay on WheatPress or move to Nuxt? But we didn't came to a conclusion. So which one we are going to stay with? I don't see the benefit of going to Nuxt. So WheatPress, it just works. Or maybe I just didn't saw all the benefits of being a Nuxt user, but I don't know. So it's still Vue. Okay, it looks a bit different, of course, but still, if you tell me or human tell me some kind of benefits that we could have to use Nuxt, then I'm okay to switch, but at the moment I do not see any benefits. Okay. I have no idea what does this mean, but hello Grok. What does this means? Modify is there. Yeah, but this is not good. Or maybe this is also related to development, to that volume configuration stuff that I'm talking about. So just to be sure, let's commit this one, and I can test it on staging. Today we can expect a huge list of benefits from human. Yeah, exactly. Oh wait, I forgot to write to social media that I'm streaming. I need some kind of automation for that. I need some kind of automation for that. Okay, come on, let's build this. Do you have a regular stream? Well, sorry. Do you have a regular schedule for streams? I usually hop on if I get the mail from Twitch. Well, if you're using Twitch app, you could just click on the bell icon and you will get a notification, because I don't know if the email is fast enough. Not sure. So not sure when you get the email. But yeah, I try to be on schedule all the time. So, but yeah, as for example, this week, the last 2 days was a bit hectic because I have lot of other things to do with my kids, for my kids, and so on. But I plan to stream at least 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today is kind of extra stream because tomorrow I'm not sure if I would be able to stream. We will see. So yeah, unfortunately, there are lots of things that I need to do on weekdays. So the best option is to be on Discord. There's a stream role, so you get notification every time I start streaming, or just hit that somewhere, I don't know, the bell icon, so you get notification from Twitch as well. That is, I think, at the moment, that is the best option. Yeah, like a starstream.sh or something. Is that a service? Clamared. So yeah, now it is built, so I could just SSH to staging. Oh wait, do we have a staging command? Oh yeah, so if I'm talking about staging, I'm talking about that one. Hey Journey, I'm fine, thank you. And you? So here I should just do a pull. Let's pull it. Yeah, it's a very solid staging machine. It just works. It's super cool. And I bought it for oh wait, I need to convert it for $54. Pretty solid. Oh wait, no, I would like to test this one. Yeah, nice deal. Yeah, and it had a sticker as well, so the sticker makes it way faster. Not sure if you saw it, but that sticker makes it super cool, if you know what I mean. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, here. Why this is so slow sometimes? I don't know. And now it works. Whoa. Whoa. That should not be like this. Oh, the registry URL is not here. Oh. Oh, I know why, because I need to pass it. Yeah, I need to pass it. Let's make it nightly and then update this one. Let's bump the version as well. Just a quick fix for the installation script. Okay, no script, run coolify, and then we can PHP artisan sync the bunny, but only the nightly release. If I can type it, nightly. Yep. Let's sync that bunny. So now, if I'm right, if I do this, and then we'll check the command. Yeah, nice. So this was, whoops, this was not used. It used the GitHub's repository, but now, not sure if you know, but since I don't know, Wednesday, Monday, not sure when, I released a new install script that makes it available to, you can use the GitHub's repository and or Docker to get all the images, not just during the installation, but when Coolify is running. That was basically a very old issue, because not sure if you know, but the GitHub repository, the GHCR, does not have a IPv6. So basically you could not use a server only with IPv6. And yeah, I need to add that one. Hey, Adiology. What a staging machine or box. Staging machine is basically works like a production server, but I can do all the fun things on it. So basically it works like a production server and I can play with it and so on. Yep, so let me just try the two fixes. Mongo. Hello, Mr. MongoDB. Let's start normally, let's say. Yeah, it's basically the staging one is completely identical with the production one, but of course using a different database, so not the production data. And yeah, I use it for test all kinds of stuffs. And that's why I'm using an old laptop, because it was cheap and it just works. It can run Linux. So let me enable the SSL. You won't be happy to see this stream chat channel on Discord. Oh my god. No, I won't open it. I won't open it, sorry. Okay, so SSL is now working. And let me just regenerate the certificate and then do a restart. Hey, or what? I think Balint. Is that you, Balint? Maybe not. But your username changed, I think. Maybe. If you are that person that I'm thinking of. Okay, so now this one works. Nice. Then I need to test this one as well. It was the MariaDB. Okay, thank you, Mongo. You don't need it we don't need you anymore. Bye. MariaDB. Whoops. Start it normally. Oh, sorry then. But you are Hungarian. Are you Hungarian? Hey, Bezos. Welcome again. Oh, so you are David. Nice. Andras DB1. Yes. Are you finding time to play games these days? Oh, no. I was subscribed to World of Warcraft for 2 months, I think, and I played maybe 8 hours in that 2 months, so I canceled my subscription. Okay, so it looks like MariaDB is now working. Let me just check the backup as well, because that was an issue before with MongoDB, with SSL certificate, but it now works. Cool. Do your kids play PC games? No. My daughter sometimes plays kind of web-based games, but basically, I don't know, every 2 months. So not so often. We often just play together with real games, like physical games, card games, board games, or just go outside or something like that. So they don't do too much things on computers or phone. My daughter has a phone, but basically she's just using it for Duolingo and to talk with her friends. And yeah, there will be a time when we probably will be play together, but I don't want to introduce them to gaming at so young age. Okay, my daughter is 12, so she's not so young, but my son is 8, so... And I don't want to... I really would like to be with them and play with them real games, real stuff, or spend time together, because I know when they will be much older, like, I don't know, 15 plus, they will be playing a lot of games with their friends, with I don't know, hopefully with me as well. And I would like to spend time with them, as much time as I could, until they are just be grown-ups. Yeah. No problem with the box. I always ask like a 9-year-old, so... No Minecraft, yeah. Is there any estimated release date for next production release? Yes, I'm currently testing this last issue, and if it's fine, and it looks like it's fine, then I will release the new version. Let me just quickly test MySQL as well. Let's enable SSR by default. When they hit 50, they don't want to play games with you anymore. Not sure. I think, yeah, they won't be as much as they do now, but I hope that all the years that we did this kind of stuff, then that they don't play on phone, don't play on, I don't know, PC, that it makes sense after. So basically, I hope that we raise them in a way that they will appreciate it and they will still would like to play with us. Who knows? What I know that it was really hard to be a family with with very little screen time for the kids. So we are aliens in the eyes of the other parents, basically, because they don't understand that. Why don't we just let them play on their phones, and they are totally in silence all day, all night, and they can just enjoy life. I mean, the parents could enjoy life. And yeah, so we are aliens from other parent eyes. So yeah, but it looks like it will have a positive impact on my kids, because they read a lot of books, a lot. And when I say a lot, that they can even read 300 pages of books in one day without a problem. And even my 8 years old is could. So, and when I tell this to other parents, they just I'm still looking. They still looking at me as an alien. So. They don't understand. What? They're reading books and they don't play on their phones? What? Is that possible? Yes. Hard work for years. Okay, so MySQL is also working. Thanks for the report. This will be fixed in the next version, which I will release today. Okay, I think I will release this one. Wife travels a bit, so multiplayer Minecraft is a great way to get my young lad on the phone for a solid 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I enjoyed the time with my kids. It goes by fast, yeah, exactly. I used to play board and PC games with my family when I was young. It was great times. Yeah. I spent my whole childhood in library. Best gift my dad ever did for me. Oh, nice. Weasel box. Hey, Miraglia. Hi from Hungary. See ya. Working alongside with you. Have a great time. Thanks. You too. Okay, I think this one is finished. I'll wrap it up. Yeah, let's release it. Oops, wrong window. Version 400. Wait, was there any the panda bot things? Oh, I already merged that one. Hey, return 0. Thanks for the follow. Why PHP and Laravel? I could remember back in the day it was in Node.js. Because it just works. As simple as that. I don't care about the language. If there will be, I don't know, Rust framework that could be easily developed with, then why not? But PHP just works and Laravel just works, so it's just a web application. I was always here for the keyboard ASMR. Yeah, I think we don't have ASMR now. Let me just check, but I think you won't won't hear if I type anything, right? Yeah, I'll barely hear it. Maybe if I turn off this one. You could hear it. Okay, I will check after the stream. Maybe I can edit it back somehow, but yeah, as I'm not using my mechanical keyboard now, because I'm on the Mac now, yeah, maybe I couldn't. Okay, where was I? So this one could be merged. PHP is rapidly changing and very easy to work with, and Laravel gives a huge tool to solve problems. We use a small website, web shops, and even for backend upload too. We love it. Yeah. Yeah, PHP just works. Hey, Beiros. Hi, Beiros. I'm fine, thank you. I would like to ask a question right away. I have rebuilt your Laravel coolify setup docs 1-to-1, but I always get an error when I deploy. Could you take a look at it? New meme just dropped in stream chat. Oh my god. Beiros, I will check it. Not at the moment, but yeah, I will save this. And I will check it and reply to you probably after the stream. Oh wait, I need to check this. What this new server shadow? Maybe it should be included in the release. Never mind, I can release 2 in one day, so 2 new versions. What is this? Bump Axios coolify real time. Oh, okay. I will fix that one later. So the new version is ready, freshly baked. So let me just pull it. Hello, Mr. Laptop. Okay, staging is back. Why this is stopping here? What is happening? Is this some local issue or what? Because if I add the debug flag, it just won't do it. Oh, or maybe it does. Oh, the CDN is slow. coolify self-hosting service was a game changer for my software agency. It saved a lot of time. Nice, return 0. Nice. Hey, Adicha. Does versioning in coolify mean something like 399 to 400? Does that mean it is mere changes or like Linux just number increment? Yes, that would be a huge major change if I do 399 to 4, but we are following the following the semantic versioning. That's why we are currently in beta, but not that's why, but yeah. So we are following that versioning, and yeah, that's it. Not sure if you heard about semantic versioning. But if you don't, then you can just read this. But this is the most important part. Ooh, I need to disable this follow cursor zoom thing. Let me just quickly check that one. I don't want to show my Mac settings because I have no idea what I will leak. Zoom. Where can I change this? I have no idea. Advanced. Okay, it does not change anything. Okay, now it works. Okay, but I need a constant pointer to keep pointer centered. Which one is better? Whoa, this is trippy. Okay, let's use this one. So now, if I zoom, I could do this. And it only will be moving when I move out of the edge. Nice. So, yeah, everything is ready. Everything is ready. Then let's release that one. But from here, let's release the new installation script. And let's release the nightly version. And let's release the production version. Just one thing, yeah. Here I would like to check. Yeah, this one. Okay. YOLO. New version released. See you tomorrow. Okay, so one. Oh, I forgot to commit this one, but yeah, it doesn't matter because it's handled differently. Let me just bump the version. There is something wrong with my internet? What? But I guess no, because I'm streaming without problems. Well, looks like I'm not streaming to Twitter. Just found out after an hour. Never mind. It's fine. It's fine. I think now I'm streaming to Twitter as well. Hello, Mr. GitHub. What is happening? I have no idea. But git push is working, but it's not working from the UI. Okay, so I would like to check this nomad because it sounds pretty cool and maybe, just maybe, we can use it somehow. Not sure if you ever heard about it. But before I start, I need a minute, so be right back. I'm here. Oh yeah, in my hologram research in the past months, there was a video game with a hologram fun and coolify. It's in the queue to watch. Nice. So, I'm not sure if I logged into Excalibur. Whoa, this is so white. Let me just quickly change it. Okay. think I'm not logged in, but never mind. So, if I'm right, I was reading about this nomad and how it works. And if I'm right, it works like there is, let's say, a server. Maybe it's a bit huge server, never mind. Let's say there are 2 servers. And basically, what Nomad does is it has a Nomad server. Ooh, this is so small. Yeah, maybe use just this small one. And it could have several Nomad clients. Let's say. So basically, Nomad server is something like an orchestrator that could just tell all the clients that, hey, deploy this one or that one. Like, and I think it's called jobs. Let's put it inside. And it could have jobs, Nomad jobs, but let's call them just simply jobs. And the job is basically a job to deploy something to the client. I would like to check that if this is true, because I have no idea. So I've never used Nomad. I know about it, that it exists, but never used it. The job could. How should I write it? Yeah, not like this. Jobs, and it could have. Each job is basically a, let's say, a Docker image, and how deployment process. Something like that, if I understand correctly. But yeah, we will see. So I would like to make something similar. Maybe just remove this one, and use only one server. I mean 2, but 1 client. This should have the Docker engine as well. And I think there is something called console, which is something like a network mesh between the servers, if I'm right. So I will probably need console as well. So I'm just writing this down, or drawing this down, basically, just for myself to be able to understand how it works. And yeah, we will test it out, because why not? So yeah, I probably need 2 servers. I don't want to do it, or maybe I can do it on my MacBook. No, let's do it on 2 servers, because that is way cleaner. I don't need to install anything or something like that on my laptop. Hey Bezos, you came to the right time. So Let me just quickly create servers. Not sure how long will it take to make this work, so maybe it won't fit in this live stream. But yeah, we will see. Nomad server, and let's create another one with Nomad client. That's it. Okay, I will show my screen in a moment. Okay, I have the Nomad server here and the client. Nice. So we have two servers now. So we need to install things on it for sure. I think I saw some kind of tutorial getting started with Nomad. Create a Nomad cluster. Maybe I need to install the CLI locally. Maybe. No, this is. Can do it in local and in the cloud. What does this do? Okay, terraforms. It basically creates a Nomad cluster on the server. But I don't want to do this. Let's try something out. Hey, I would like to create a Nomad cluster. It should have a Nomad server and one Nomad client. Can you please guide me through how to install each component? I will probably need to install Docker Engine and console as well, but I'm not sure. Let's figure it out together. It's so funny that I'm talking with an AI, to an AI, with an AI. So it's kind of weird. Please make all descriptions as short as possible, so I don't need an explanation at all. Or maybe just a little one. Sorry. And that's it. Let's do it, Grok. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't went through. Hey, Yash Kolam Bekar. Hey, hey. Okay. Yep. No, okay. Okay, I see a few problems already. Let's make it even better. Hey, Pixel Katana. Let's make it even better. Just a moment. I need to add a private network. To each server. I hope I don't need to configure it manually, because usually I add the private network before I create the server. Not sure if why I don't show it, because you will see the IP addresses and everything, so but it doesn't matter because I will delete the server. Okay, now we have private network as well. So Grok. Let's update. Okay, we can skip that part for now. Let's install Docker. Yeah, it doesn't matter now, Hugo. When did you switch to macOS? Almost 3 weeks now. Whoa, it's installing version 20 of Docker.io. Oh my god. Maybe this is not what we want at the moment. Okay, not Docker. Opt remove Docker.io. Don't do this. Docker installation. I need quickly the. Oops, I'm not at Ubuntu. I'm at Debian. I need quickly this one. Yes, and I need. Yeah, this is fine. Do you like it? Yes, I really enjoy it, especially the battery life. It's pretty good. And basically that I don't need to restart it, and I just close it, go somewhere and open it, and I continue where I was. So oh, it just said the Docker repository. Okay, I thought that it is already installing it. So yeah, I really like it. Because it just works. It basically gets out of the way. So usually I have the same feeling with a Linux-based laptop, but sometimes it just doesn't work, or yeah, okay, I had a very old laptop, so maybe that's not the best to compare with. Because maybe I could have better experience with a newer laptop, but newer Linux laptop, but yeah, still, it just works. And the battery life is super great. So the place I work in is going in production on 1st of April. Is that a joke? 80% infra is in Coolify. To be honest, I'm worried. I never had Coolify in production before. Any examples of companies using Coolify in production just to make me feel better? There are lots of businesses using in production Coolify itself. So if it works, so basically if it works, if you already deployed and everything works, then it will stay as is. So, and if you have any problems, just let us know in Discord or via email or something like that. Hey Peak, how do you like Nomad so far? I'm currently installing it, so I didn't do too many things with it. I'm just installing Docker, and I made this small art, let's say, that how I'm thinking it will work, but I need to understand first. So yeah, I'm currently installing it. Okay, yeah, we can set it, but it's already started and probably enabled. So I need a Docker, I need a Nomad server. Mm. I think maybe this one is better to install. Hello. I think it will install the same one. We will see. Nomad. Yep. Let's do it here as well. Hello. I cannot I paste it? Okay, now it works. Do you think it would be possible to use coolify as a one-click installer for umbrellas? Just asking, I would take a look on it. I have never heard about those umbrellas, so Umbrella OS, I guess. So I'm not sure. But Human, who is probably not here, has better experience with these kind of custom integrations, because he already added to some, I don't know, I don't remember the name, but he already integrated it, some custom thing, Zima board. Yeah, that was it. The big question is, what did Giggle, what did Giggle want? And what did Google want? That is the right question. Okay, so I installed Nomad. Okay, I probably need to set up the server. Yeah, let's use Nomad HL. What? HCL. Okay. Server enabled client. Client should be false. I don't want to use this as client for now, just to make sure that I understand how it works. So there will be one server and one client. Okay, that exists, and I probably, yeah, I don't want to do this. Or do I want? No, I think it should be integrated inside systemd. How can I integrate Nomad HashiCorp into systemd? Oops. Or does it require it for now? No, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Where was I? Oh, here. So I will just manually start it for now, but not in the background. I don't know what is this /dev means. It's in development mode, I guess. Let's see. Nope. We don't need a custom HTML file. Okay. Okay, a lot of things here. Nice. The UI is enabled. So if I'm right, oops, I forgot the IP address. If I'm right, I could access this one on port. What was the port? 444. What is the port? Access the web UI 4646. Nope. Okay, I stopped it. Oops. So now Nope. Hello? Andras, do you know any ARM-based consumer CPU apart from Apple which I can use as a local build server? It seems ARM has not penetrated the market yet. Hessner has ARM, and you know the Raspberry Pis, those are ARMs as well. Not sure what are you looking for. So if you need just a local one, then yeah, probably a Raspberry Pi is the best option. I'm not sure if there anything else, but if you need a cloud one, then I recommend Hessner, for example. So okay, first issue. I cannot open the browser. Whoops, /UI. Nope, I cannot open the UI. Does it started at all? Let me just quickly do something like this and this, and I could check the port. Okay, it's listening on localhost. That's the problem. So if you're listening on localhost, then it is not listening on all interfaces. So basically you could just reach the UI on localhost, which I do not want at now because I want to reach it from the internet. But the bind address is 000, so I probably need some kind of other configuration as well. Okay, this is not what I copied. I hate this. Okay. HTTP. Console. So many things here. Defaults to the first private IP address. Yes, so I think I need this one. And let's say here I do not need this one, and I use this one. So if I start it, I still don't have a UI. No UI for me. So I'm probably looking at the wrong configuration. UI. The UI, yes. Ooh, UI enabled. Ooh, maybe it's not even enabled. Okay, then I do not need you. By the way, Peek, are you here? Peek. What? Still not working. I forgot what I would like to ask Peek. Oh my god, brain. My brain just stopped working. Never mind. I will think about it. And not sure what I would like to ask. Okay, maybe I should talk with the AI. Okay. So first I installed Docker and server and Nomad server on the first server. Now I would like to reach the UI from the internet, but Nomad UI is listening on localhost only. How should I enable it? Whoa. Localhost. Yeah, the bind address is there. No, this isn't working. The bind address is already there. No, I'm basically starting it like this. So I'm not using systemd or systemctl or something like that. But UI is enabled. Starting here. Why? It is still... no. It is still listening on localhost. Listening. Bind address is set to 0000. Oops, too much points. Let's see this one. Or maybe it does not. No, it should use the default configuration file, I think. Oh, it isn't using the default one. I thought that this is the default one and it should use it. Let me just then disable this one, or I mean delete this one. Okay, now it's working, so I probably don't need this one because UI is enabled by default. Yep, so it should work now. Noise, okay. Yeah, Grok was right. Oh, thank you, Grok, you was right. It was just not using the right configuration file. Glock. It wasn't my mistake, it was an AI mistake because I'm using an AI dictation tool. Never mind. So yeah, I have something like this. Okay, it has a UI, I guess. Clients. Oh, wait. And I need the client enabled. Oh, I know, Peak. I know what I would like to ask you. Is this HCL format? It could be parsed somehow. Not sure if you ever looked at it. So basically, can we create such thing from PHP or something like that? Is it parsable, or we need to manually write it? Something like that. Grok is such a bro. Yeah. Oh, wait, I need to disable this client. So now, if I'm right, there should not be a client here. Well, it's still there. Okay. So what happens if I add the new... Yeah. Okay. Let's do it in a way that I use the default address. And not use the private network for now. Hey, cybernetic angel, thanks for the follow. It is similar. Hey, Adam, hello. It's similar like Yon. That is a good question. Let me check. Thought about manual parsing for now. Yeah, would be nice if there is such way to do it. Okay. So now we have a server. Let's try to run a new job. Okay, now I have the Nomad server set. But I don't want to use it as a client. How can I disable it? Nomad node status. Okay, and if I edit server config, check the client book if that is set, or remove it entirely. I set it like you said, but it's still in the Nomad node status. Okay, clear the data directory. Maybe that will help. Nope. Allocation ID is required. Is this one? Yeah, whoops. Is this the allocation ID? Nope. I have no idea what is the allocation ID. Never mind. For server-only mode, if it pairs explicitly disable the client at runtime. Let's do it. This client order equals that one. Okay. There's no such thing. Client order. Okay. How can I run it as the server only? These are not working. What do you mean it's laggy? Am I lagging? Or something like that? Oh, okay. Okay, we learned something. So if I don't run the Nomad server in development mode, so I'm basically running it in production, then it works. And it's not there's no configured or registered node. Nice. Still able to use the UI. Okay. So now, if I'm right, I need to add the client, which should be similar, except that I probably need to Nomad HCL client server enabled. No, I need to disable this. Client enabled, and the server should be the server IP address. Let's use now the public IP address, because if it works there, then I can easily just modify it to the private network. Yes, and then I can just start it like this, except that the configuration file name is different. nomad.hcl. Connection refused. Oh wait, now it's working. What? Advertise bind address, client true, server false. Oh, status is initializing, blah blah blah. Okay. Oh, I know what is going on. I need to reconfigure the server because it tries to be on a different address. It tries to advertise itself on a different address, which is not available. So I think I can just simply use the private network for now. I think I need this one as well. I know the default port is fine. So now if I start it, I should see that it's advertising on the private network. So if I go here and add the server IP address as the server's private network, I guess it will help. Server members, yep. Nice. So we are registered the first Nomad client to the server. So the server is basically just doing the server things, and the client doing the client things. There is no package for HCL, but HCL is simple, so we can probably make a custom parser. Parser mentioned. Or use JSON, as that is also supported instead of HLC. Nice. Hey Luis, good afternoon. What are you building today? Are you vibe coding? No, I'm vibe coding because I always vibe code, to be honest, since I'm coding, so because I just enjoy coding, and for me that is vibe coding. But of course I use AI, so but not rely on it 100%. Okay, so now we have the server, the client, we have Docker engine. Let me just quickly make this. Ooh, how can I select this ones? What? Why can't I select these ones? These ones. Blah. English is not working. So these ones are, whoops. These ones are done. But we also need Docker engine here. But we don't have the console yet. And I'm not sure when we need the console. Maybe if we have more clients. Not sure. Okay, let's deploy something. First, I would like to check if nothing is installed here, but I think Nginx is not installed. Yep. Okay. So let's create some Nginx, some basic Nginx stuffs. Okay, now everything works. The client and the server is set. Now I would like to test the job part of Nomad. So I would like to deploy a simple Nginx. Help me, please. Create a job file. Okay. Let me just try it through the UI first. Wow, what is this dynamic port? Dynamic port. Not sure. Let's plan it, I guess. Run it. What are you working on? I'm testing Nomad and console and other things. And yeah, I would do this test if I want streaming, but I guess maybe it's a good idea to show it to you, so basically you could learn from it as well. Not sure if you're interested in, but I guess maybe. I never asked you if you're interested in such thing, but maybe you are. How many of you ever did something like this, like I'm doing, not just with Nomad, but basically configuring a few servers and so on? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, yeah, I know PQ did. So I guess something is working. Oh, it's running. It's running. Nice. Okay, view logs. No. What is this exec? Oh, very nice. Very nice. So what I would like to do is how can I add some user password to the UI of Nomad? Maybe this should be the first thing I do. Whoa. Oh, it relies on access control list with tokens for authentication. Okay, never mind. That is not necessary for this. So the question is, how can I reach this? Client IP. So if I'm right, I would... No, I don't need dictation, thank you. I would... just simply, let's log in. Wait, I just stopped the client, so it should reflect this one, right? Okay, no nodes were eligible to evaluation. Nice, so basically it stopped working. If I start it again, it should allocate. Oh, then it's recovered automatically. Ooh, nice. So how can I reach this one? It's probably listening on the port. It gets a random port. Started Docker. Okay. it gets it to a random port. That is not good. How can I? Okay, skip this authentication part. Let's go back to the job. I would like to bind port 80 to the server's port 80, so it should not use a dynamic port. Yeah, it's probably in the yeah, you could also mob the port. Yeah. So I probably need a static, bind to port 80 on the client, and map the container's port. Ah, okay. This is simple. Nice, thank you. Can I use JSON? Oh, he understands. JSON. I mean JSON. Can I use JSON format? Oh, he understands. If I add format to it, then it understands. Oh, this is a nice prompt. Let me just try this one. Okay. So I can reach here. How can I deploy a new version? Stop. Yeah, I can stop start, but can I roll the new version? How can I roll to the new job specification without stopping and starting the job? Update your job file, okay. And then simply run it. Hey, Kaiser. Hey, Michal. Good afternoon. So here in definition, sorry. Can I just... edit, okay. Edit, hello. Can I just use the JSON here? You must have a valid ID. Maybe I couldn't. Let's try it with this one. Yeah, I cannot use JSON here. Okay, and now what? Plan. Oh, okay. Not sure what happened there. And let's run it. Okay, so it is stopped it for sure. How can I check the process, the deployment process? Details. Okay. Hey, human. What's on your to-do list today? Well, we fixed 2 issues related to the new database SSL stuffs that we released. And I also released a new version, and then I'm just trying to figure out how this Nomad and console and these kind of stuffs are working. So I'm currently setting up something like this. Wait, how can I move? Ah, okay. And yeah, I'm just learning with you, basically. Nice, so it is now listening on port 80. Okay. Yeah, I draw a bit. So now we understand how jobs work. And Docker image is basically hidden, because basically it's in the job definition here. Okay. What I would like to do is, I can do all these stuffs. This Nice. Version deployments as well. What if I revert? Yes, revert. Deploying. Okay. Fail deployment. Oh, that is canceling the deployment. Yeah, basically. Okay. So now it is unreachable. Wait, but I thought it failed the deployment. Never mind. So it basically reverted all the configuration and everything. That is nice. So if I do a revert to this one, then I would see that it is available on port 80 again. And yes, nice. Okay, next question. How can I do a rolling deployment? Or is it a rolling deployment? I would need. Okay, to test this, I need to edit this image file, but I don't want to release a new image file to Docker Hub or something like that. So I would like to mount a file to the container. Nice, it works, thanks. How can I mount a file to the container in the job specification? Is Nomad something like Kubernetes? Yes, it's something like Kubernetes, but way more simpler, let's say. As you can see that now I have two servers. One is server, which is basically could serve as a client, but now it's just for separation, that just to understand how it works. The one server, the one VPS is, let's call it VPS. It's better because we have so many servers now. Is basically just scheduling the jobs and handling all the deployments, logs, and so on. And we have a client, which is basically hosting your applications now. And yeah, this is so simple. Okay, it has a few errors. Just ignore them. So yeah, I would need a simple file. Yes. You can use a Docker drive mount configuration. Oops. Let's use HCL format for now. Love the music for a change. It's cool, chill, elevator vibe. Yeah. Nomad gonna be in coolify, or is it just a drawing board time classroom? Maybe. I don't want to talk about this now. Human. Okay, so what is changed? It basically adds this one. And the update. Oh, auto revert true. I have. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's add the new definition. How did I add it? I forgot. Definition, edit. Yeah, like here. This is not what I want. Exactly. What if I do not want to add the file from the host system, but would like to add the content of the file inside the job? Oh, I can do some kind of template. Yeah, this is better for now. Here. So template data. Okay, it has the default configuration. Okay. Destination nginx conf. Let's see. Let's deploy. Oops, I was mute. So you don't see that, but this drink that I'm drinking is green, but you probably won't see it because of the green screen. Funny. Okay. So now, yeah, let's exec the job. Oh wait, I won't see that, but it's added. I need some custom in it. Okay, what I would like to do here is to how should I? No, maybe I should mount it from the file system. Maybe, because then I can do a cool thing when we will use the two clients. So let's use it like I don't know /tmp /nginx-conf. Yeah, let's use that one. Let's deploy. Okay. Oops. Maybe I should create the file beforehand. Never mind. Oh, but wait. Maybe I do not need the configuration at all. I mean, whoa. I mean, I would like to mount this file exactly. Edit. Index.html. Index.html. And let's recreate that one. Oops. Index.html. Hello stream. So if I deploy this one, then I would see here hello stream. Fail to create container. Volumes are not enabled. Cannot mount host path. Yeah, I probably need to enable it somehow. Okay, Rock just died. Oh. I need to enable it on the client. Let's see. It's in the in here. Not sure what is happening. Can I start it? Okay. Fair task. Okay. It is running. Oh, okay. What is happening here? Okay. So it's working. Okay. Nice. So what I would like to do with this one is, if I have another client with a different index HTML, then we will see that we'll see that if it works. Okay, so yeah, let's add another one. I'm not sure how console will work or why do we need that, but hopefully we will figure it out soon. Nomad client 2. Let's quickly install Docker. Console will integrate with traffic and do all the networking over multiple servers like Docker networks. Content process to another container, for example. So you mean that, for example, if I have the database on one server, without exposing to the internet, I could have the backend on the other server without exposing to the internet, and they could communicate with each other through an internal domain, I guess. So it's basically creating a network mesh, like Swarm does, just in a better way, probably. Okay, now I have this one. Install Linux Debian. I need this one as well. Okay, we have Docker. Now we have Nomad. And we need a configuration. Whoops. HCL. Oh wait. I forgot to add the private network. Yeah, I forgot. Never mind. Attach to the private network. Now I have it in the private network here, right? And all I need to do is execute this one. Oops. Let's see. Nice, we have 2 clients. Woohoo! Very nice. Very nice. Hey man, hope you are doing good. So Google contacted you, huh? That's huge, man. You deserve everything good coming your way. Thank you, but I'm not sure what Google want from me, to be honest. But I guess it's something. Okay. So we have 2 clients now. We have 2 clients in the same data center. Oh, we have monitoring as well. Jesus, it has a Java driver. What? Never mind. We won't see anything. We don't see anything. No, nope. Nope. Okay, so we have our Nginx. And how it will determine which server does it deploys to. Okay, how can I redeploy this? Maybe I just do a nomad. Stop. I need an ID. How can I get the ID? Nomad, job, no, nomad list, maybe list, I don't know. How can I get the job number from the CLI? Nomad, job. Deployment. No. History. No. Probably no. No, because this is interacting with the job. Anyway, what's this nomad thing used for? Anyway, it could be used to orchestrate basically virtual machines, I guess, but applications for sure. So basically, I have this kind of job definition, which is, you could think about that it is a Docker file, no, a Docker compose file. So basically, it tells what to deploy and how to deploy it and where to deploy it. And you have a cluster basically where it has the clients. Maybe I should do it as a nomad cluster. So you have a cluster where you have the nomad server and any number of nomad clients. Now we have 2. And basically you could just define that how it should be deployed. So for example, we have how should the application should be deployed. We have this Nginx job, which is kind of simple Nginx service. And you just tell him that, okay, it needs to be on DC1. You can specify each client that you can set that this client is in DC1, this client on DC2, and so on. You can use custom names and so on. And when you just run this job or deploy your application, it will take care of everything else. But I would like to know that we have now 2 clients in DC1. Oops. And I would like to know that how Nomad will determine which one to deploy to. But I need to, let's manually stop the job for now from the UI. I have no idea how to get the job ID from the CLI now. Okay, and if I start it, So now it tried to deploy on the other one, and there is no index HTML there. Yep. Hello, stream from client to let's oops, not this one. Nope. Index, yeah, hello stream from client 1. Okay, let's start back Nomad. And it's already, as you can see, that Nomad is know that this job should be run somewhere, and basically when I restarted all the clients, it identifies that the clients are back, but this job is basically your deployment, let's call it deployment for now, is not available anywhere. So basically it automatically deployed it to the first available client, that is okay or has the right job definition. Set count, it deploys on one server until it's full. You need to change to spread so it spreads. I see. So basically it schedules between the clients now, because based on the job definition, it doesn't exactly say that you should deploy to DC2, to DC3, to that server or that client or something like that. So it basically, there are more than one client available for this job definition, for this job, and that's why it's deploying randomly. So if I do this, it won't available because it is available. Oh wait, let me just stop the client where it's deployed. So now it should be available here in a few moments, if I'm right. But maybe I'm totally wrong. I never tried Proxmox, but this looks like Proxmox. And it's right, it's there. It took me a few seconds. Where did it go? Okay, here. So it's online. Okay. Let's start the another client. Okay, it is ready. Yes. And let's modify the count. Oh wait, can we somehow do that? It should not reserve the CPU. So basically it would be unlimited CPU or something like that. What if I don't add these resources? Will it work? I cannot. Wait, I can select this one. Just barely visible. Let's plan it. Ooh, I should check the plan. Never mind. Oh, it's not for Kubernetes. It's basically a Docker engine. So basically a simple Docker installation, like we use with Coolify. So there is nothing special involved yet. Just pure Docker. We don't even use console, which is kinda additional thing, let's say, but it's still just the networking part. Okay. And now if I check the clients, not sure where does it started. Okay, started on the other one. But it should be stopped in a few moments. Or not. Okay, yeah, okay, it is not stopping because Nomad cannot reach the client. So it's basically running because it could not stop it, but it starts it on another client. Okay, that makes sense. But if I start back the Nomad client on the second server, it should stop it. Yep. Nice. 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 Okay. So now the final thing I would like to do, because I'm soon ending the stream, before I end the stream, a final thing I would like to do is to integrate console somehow. Now I would like to integrate console. I added a new Nomad client, so there are 2 Nomad clients now. Everything is working. What? And now I would like to have one. No. Okay, let's first start console and then we figure out the IP part. I mean, I would like to reach it on some kind of central domain or IP or something like that. So we probably need to have traffic as well. Also, I would like to have the Nginx job to be spread over the 2 clients. So in the end, I will have one domain that is load balanced between the 2 or more clients. Hey Butter, thanks for the follow. That's it. Let's do it, Grok. Okay, it's installing console, binding address. Okay, console server components will create console server HTTL. Okay. Starting the agent, console client, retry join. Okay. Console members, integrate console with Nomad. Yep. Update the job, get the count to 2. It should have a health check. Not sure if it was already a health check there. I think it was. It should be. No, there wasn't. Yeah, but we need health check to be able to track each deployment. Okay, network mode host. Why? Oh wait, I can use the CLI with the job name. Job status, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. I thought that I need to use the ID, but it looks like the ID is the name by default. Never mind. Okay, load balance with what domain? For a single domain, blah, 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 blah. Use tool like Fabio. Fabio? What is Fabio? Never heard of it. Console load balancing made simple. It's a web UI as well. Hey human, sorry, not human. I love you, but not now. So, Peak, are you here? At least from the feature list, it sounds pretty cool. What is it written in? Oh, it's written in Go. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's stick with... Okay, I never used Fabio before, so please stick with traffic. How should I change the load balancing part? Oh, yeah, it has a provider, console provider. Okay, but the problem is that this one is... Yeah, it should be inside a nomad server, a separate machine. Because I was thinking that, hey, Crazy Bee, thanks for the follow. I was thinking that, okay, if we have something like this, let me just make it a bit bigger, because we are extending the features. Okay, let's use this one. We don't need the colors now. And okay, go away, please. So, I was thinking that, so based on what Grok told me, we are installing traffic here, for example, on the Nomad server. But how could we... yeah, maybe we couldn't do something like this. So I'm thinking that, okay, if you have two or more servers, then it makes sense to have a proxy somewhere, for example, on the Nomad server, or some separate server that is only for proxying. That is fine. But how could we solve that we should not have one traffic server, but we should have at least two? So to have a highly available traffic or reverse proxy thing. Let me just ask Grok. Nice. I didn't implement it yet, so what if I would like to have a highly available traffic? So basically it needs to be installed at least on 2 servers. Also, does the traffic job? No. Also, can I integrate traffic with Nomad? So it will be scheduled with Nomad as well? Or maybe that is too much questions at one prompt. Yeah, it's installing a Nomad client, configure traffic for HI. Okay, console server, it communicates with the console server. Okay, job with compatibility, tags. Okay, it says the tag. Yeah, I could use DNS round robin. Yeah, of course, an external load balancer. Yeah, but then the external load balancer should be highly available as well. Not sure which one is better. Because now, for example, with Coolify, you could just... so it doesn't bound to the Coolify itself. So basically you could run everything without Coolify. Okay, if you have one Nomad client, that is the same, because you could have the Nomad server, the Nomad client, and so traffic and so on one server. But if you add another server, then basically you should have the traffic on that server as well. Because in that case, if Nomad server is stopped, everything will work as is. But if you plan to have this kind of architecture where you are deploying the same application to more than one servers, then not sure which one is the best, to have the traffic on the clients or have the traffic on the server. It's already too much for me. Yeah, let me know if you don't understand something. Probably a lot of things, because I'm not sure how familiar you are with this kind of stuff. But yeah. Okay, maybe that is just a tiny implementation detail that I can think of later. I like this type of stream too, very informative, learning a lot. That's the point, that we just learn together, because I never used Nomad at all, and now I understand how it works on a higher level, of course. But there are lots of other things that needs to be checked, like variables and so on. Services, I'm not sure what are those. And also for the storage layer, variables. Okay, yeah. So let's do it with the traffics be placed on the server. Oh yeah, but I need to set up console first. Yeah, but I think that will be in the next stream, or yeah, not sure if I will play with it after the stream, but still, this is already kind of good because we have a automated deployment stuff with Nomad. Let's see that if I set it to 2, the count, it should start on both servers. Yep. So it basically schedules it on every available server, if I'm right. If I do 3, of course it will be free. Okay, but one thing, I changed the definition, so I removed the CPU and memory allocation. So I would like to know oh, it's using some kind of Envoy proxy. Never mind. I would like to know that how should I know that how many resources do I have on each server, but I think if I did not add any configuration to the job, I think I can add as much as I want. Okay, what will happen? Let's start a new job with the same definition. And let's run it. Now what happened? Oh, probably. Oh, I need to name it something else. Probably. Yep. And it will fail, if I'm right. Yeah, I did the same job. Oh, wait, it doesn't fail, but I have network settings to use the port 80, and both are using port 80. So what happened here? Yeah, let's stop one of the clients for now, because I don't want to log in again. Oh my god, it's using IPv6 now for one of the containers and IPv4 for the other one. Why? Okay, let's go back to the Nginx job. I would like to use only IPv4. How can I do it? How do you like it so far? It's pretty robust, pretty nice. I really like it so far, especially that I think everything that I've done here from the UI could be done from the CLI. I hope. So Yep, network host mode. Port 8 HTTP network default. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I think nothing happens because it uses the default by default. Okay, maybe it's a dumb idea, but what if I add another one? Nginx 3. Then it probably could not be started. Yes. It already said that there's a reserve port collision. Strange. Strange that it's trying to use IPv6 for the other one and IPv4 for the first one. Is Coolify cloud distributed or everything is in one server? I use 6 servers for the cloud instance. Okay. Let's grow it to 10. What? Oh, I cannot grow it to 10. 6 is unplaced. Yeah, because if I have 10 instances of this Nginx, then basically means that I could have 2 on each server, because one for the IPv4, one for the IPv6, and 2 on the other one. That is 4 plus 6. It's 10. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, this is not the usual use case, because yeah, I don't want to bind a specific job to a host port. I would like to bind a reverse proxy. So let's do it. Okay, now I would like to have a traffic as a reverse proxy, and the Nginx job should not bound to the host system. How's the cloud running? 100% uptime? I'm probably buying it real soon once I'm done setting up. Have I heard there's some CPU spike or something going on? No, there's no CPU spikes, especially on the cloud. So Coolify could use some resources during the deployment that could always cause CPU spikes, but Coolify itself sometimes there was some issues where it used a lot of CPUs, but that has been already solved. But yeah, the cloud uptime is, I don't know. I think I have a uptime monitoring setup, but I have no idea. Let me just check. I forgot it. Yeah, I have a status page. Yeah, here. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, basically it's highly available. So which uptime monitoring did you use? It's called Uptime Kuma. Yeah. So Maps to container port 80. Okay. Oh, wait. Where was I? Whoa. Yeah, here. Okay. So I need to update this one. Yes, remove this part. Yeah, it makes sense. And yeah, let's rerun. Let's rerun it. Planet. What? What did I miss? Oh, I need to remove the static one. Ah, nice. Whoops, I started 10 instances. Whoops, never mind. Then Nginx is, yeah. Okay, everything is running. And, oh no, maybe, no, now it's running. Okay, nice. So, now I need traffic. Oh, but for that I need a domain as well. Then I cannot test it. Please use the traffic inside Nomad. So there should be a traffic job that deploys traffic. It does not know traffic. Hey Tanzi, thanks for the follow, and whoa, thanks for the prime. Tenzan, thank you. Are you exploring this for coolify specifically or just in general? Well, not sure yet. Oh, but it needs console as well. Yeah, it makes sense because I have 2 clients. But I can still do it on 1 client, but then I don't have the console name. How can I do it without console? So I'm basically now have 1 Nomad client. Oh, traffic has a Nomad provider as well. Yeah, I'm currently using the built-in microphone in the Mac for the dictation stuff. But yeah, probably it will work better with AirPods. You could use traffic.me as a domain. Right. So it's traffic. Traffic. No. Traffic. No. Oh, it's like similarly like SSLib. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right, I can use this as a slip. Yeah, let's just copy this one. Run job. I need a nomad server IP, which was this. Yeah, it uses the old traffic, but that doesn't matter now. Let's know. Constraint filter at 2 nodes. What? What? Console version. Attribute console version. But I'm not using console at all. Hey, chat, coolify recently I loved it. Just wanted to say thank you. Thank you, Tenzin. Maybe Croc knows it. Maybe I should ask it a bit better. Ooh. Next.js. Next.js. Oh my god. Broke Grok. So. No console constraint exists. But there was no console constraint. Maybe I'm blind. No, I'm not blind. What should I see here? Check attributes. Attributes. Node events, allocation, allocations. There is no such thing as attributes. Oh, I'm done. There's no such attribute as console version. I have no idea what's going on. Never mind. Yeah, I think I will end the stream here because, yeah, this was enough for today, for sure. But yeah, we will continue with this one. Not sure if on stream or I will do it and post about it. We will see. But yeah, in general, how did you like this kind of stream where I just basically learned together something? Because this is way better content than just me trying to figure out a bug and so on. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be some DevOps or server stuff, so we can learn basically anything together. So yeah, we liked it a lot. Would love to see more of these. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely do a mix. So as in the beginning of the stream, I did small dev things and then switched to this learn together stuff topic. But yeah. Okay. Then I will, or we will do something like this. I'm not sure if every week, but maybe we can do it every week. So now, let's find someone to raid. Oh, TJ is live. TJ is live. He's not sleeping. Should we raid TJ so he will feel the love in the last hours of their vibe coding journey? What do you think? Togglebyte or TJ? Which one? Which one? Yeah, they got like 85% of the game done. Nice. So, should we rate TJ? The Primogen. Yeah. Yeah, let's rate him. I check if he's not sleeping, but I think he is not sleeping. Oh, he's not alone. Okay. Yeah. Let's rate TJ. Okay, have a nice afternoon, everyone, and yeah, thanks for being here. It's a nice stream. And tomorrow I'm not sure if I will stream. We will see. If I have time, then I definitely will. So yeah. Have a nice day, afternoon, morning, I don't know. So yeah, see you next time, as always. Bye!